So I just came back from a wedding and I pulled off this really simple, sleek hijab style that you can basically pull off with any material, so seamlessly, so effortless, and it looks so good. I love the way it looked that I was telling myself, you know what, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this because it's so easy and I want to share it with you guys. Hi everyone, it's been so long since I posted my last video. My daughter was like, she wasn't even 1 when I posted my last video. I took quite a long break and I got really active on TikTok, and here I am again. There are 5 things that you need to accomplish this look. It's a volumizer. Well, this is actually pretty optional because some people don't really like to wear it. So if you do not prefer it, you can opt this out. And then of course your hijab cap, your hijab, earrings of course if you want to wear earrings, because this whole style is all about showing off your earrings, but if you don't want to, it's fine as well. And also pins. This is probably the style that I use the most pins for, because usually I don't really like to use so much pins for my hijab styling because I feel like it's a little too inconvenient for me when I want to take it off. I usually would avoid styles that use too much pins, but this time when I try out this style, I was like, this is pretty cute, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Alright, so to start off, I'm already wearing my volumizer in my hijab cap, and your hair must be neatly tied and tucked in. Make sure there's no any hairs coming out, because later when you finish your look, you don't want some strands of hair coming out. That's going to be so annoying, at least it is for me. So the hijab that I'm going to be using is a satin. Is it a satin? It's a silk or satin, I'm not sure, something along that line, but it's a very soft silky kind of material and I love the color. First, what you gotta do is to have this. I have a mirror in front of me to make sure that I'm not doing this wrong. So you kind of place this right in between so that your shawl is on the equal length on both sides. You can place your hijab here if you want to, or you can place it here if you want to. You can also place it here if you want to. So one tip that I always tell my customer is, when you wear your hijab and you have a small face and you want it to look slightly bigger, you know, so that your hijab doesn't look so closed up to your face. Like myself, I have quite an oval shape, I would say, so I would avoid wearing my shawl too close like this, because I feel like this way it's a little too narrow to my face. So what I would advise my customers is to slightly pull your hijab back, and it makes so much difference. Really is personal preference on how you want your face to look like, but I feel like my face looks so much better like this compared to this. Moving on, I am going to place my hijab somewhere around here. This is my usual area, and then you're going to kind of throw your hijab to the back and pin it at the back. I don't usually wear a lot of pins, so I'm struggling to find a hijab pin. I don't really like to pin my hijab like this usually, because I feel like sometimes they can damage your hijab, especially when you pin it under your chin. It kind of creates a hole on the material when you talk and you eat, so I don't really like it. Grab just slightly above your bun and kind of pull your hijab just a little bit forward. Be careful not to pull too much, because then that's going to reveal your neck at the back. We don't want that. And especially when you have a volumizer at the back, you need a little bit more material to cover your neck at the back. So I think this is good. I'm going to stop here and pin it right on top of my head. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to do the same on both sides as well. So make sure, do you see this little folds here? You don't want that. So push it back so that it's neat. feel like this works really well when you want to pull off like a Bollywood for your wedding, you know, for a wedding or for your own wedding, because you want to show off your earring, but you can't really so just knead it up a bit. Just prepare the space for the earrings later, and then I'm gonna just take both sides like this, you know, and you kind of just throw your shawl, take the left, put it to the right side, take the right and put it to your left. So if you want this, you could continue with this, or like how I was wearing in the wedding just now, I kind of just leave it like this, one side down, and I took the other side and put it across my shoulder. Okay, and I pinned it here, but of course you will see a little bit of here and there, and then you top it off with the earrings of your choice. I love this earring. Can you believe I got this on Shein for like, if I'm not mistaken, it was less than 10 ringgit. Shein has a lot of good Bollywood stuff, accessories, even dresses nowadays. Is it Shein or Shein? I never got it right. So I'm kind of happy with how it looks like right now. If you prefer to cover your neck, you could just pull this slightly up and pin it here together like that. This looks nice. I really love this. And if this bothers you, this little, you know, like it's coming off on this side, right? I usually like my shawl to look very effortless, like it doesn't look so put together. So I usually would just leave this out. Like I'm not so anal about it. Am I allowed to say that? I'm not so picky about it. So, but if you are, nobody's judging you, it's fine. Just put an extra pin. Just pin it right here if you prefer, to make it a little bit more neat so that it doesn't come off like that. Oh, it's not working. Wait, let me do it again. This is the tricky part about satin, you see. That's why I don't usually wear satin, but they are just so gorgeous. Oh my god, that I couldn't avoid it. Usually I would wear chiffon or cotton or like a pashmina style, and it was a wedding, so I wanted it to look a little bit more, you know, premium. My pin came off. Guys, I'm not gonna cut this scene out because this is the reality of wearing hijab. It doesn't always go the way you want it, you know. They always somehow surprise you. So, and I don't have a brooch, so I'm only using pins right now. So this is what it looks like, the final look, and I am so in love with the total look. The front side, back, other side. So you can adjust this according to your personal preference. That if you want more coverage, just pull down your shawl, pull down your hijab a bit more so that you can get a bit more coverage. If you prefer this to be up as well, of course you can just throw it to the other side. There's just so much flexibility to this style. You just need to make sure that you are comfortable in it, and if you feel like you can improvise it, go for it, because you're gonna wear it mostly for like a whole day, when you're going for your class or when you're going for your work, going out to the mall, you know. Most of the time you're gonna wear it for long hours, so you're gonna make sure that you are comfortable with it. But personally, if I were to wear this many pins when I go out, I probably would wear it only for weddings, because weddings are just like what, a couple of hours and you're back and you just, you know, kind of take it all off. But I wouldn't mind as well pulling this off, because I really like how it looks like on my face, the way it just brings out the oval structure of my face. I just love how this whole cheekbones and my chin is just emphasized with the style. It's crazy that I've been wearing hijab for so many years and I have never really experimented this style. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions at all, please leave it in the comment below and I would be happy to assist you. Probably more suggestion on what video you should be doing next. See you. Bye.